Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing and finding new wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings button. You want to now scroll down and select where it says wallpaper and style. And then you can go select the home screen tab up at the top, and you can select the more wallpapers button right here. At this point, you can select any wallpaper themes that are included on your Samsung device. Alternatively, you can also select My Photos and upload any photos that are saved on your phone. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.